Welcome back, yogis, to Become Yoga School's Energy Flow. We are live on the island of St. Martin, and I'm going to lead you through this 10-minute energizing flow to awaken your body and or your soul. Let's start on hands and knees in cat and cow poses. On hands and knees, inhale, arch your spine, cow pose, lifting the heart and tail, and then round your spine, cat pose. Inhale, arch your spine, lift your eyes to the sun. Exhale, round your spine, energize the back body, lifting the vertebrae. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, cow pose. And then draw your shoulder blades together. Come into cat pose. And neutral spine. We're going to bend the elbows down 1 and press up, energizing the arms. Bend 2. Keep your elbows close here. We call this shaving the ribs in Pilates. Inhale, bend 4. It just means keep the triceps active. And inhale, bend 5. Fantastic. Walk your hands forward, tuck your toes, and let's find a downward facing dog. Draw your shoulder blades into your back body and draw your abs back into the spine. Imagine here you're in a small triangular room and you're energizing your thighs toward the back of the triangle and energizing your upper back into the front angle of this triangle. Breathe in, let the head go. And then gently come onto the knees, sit your hips back. We're going to find child's pose with prayer hands. Bring your palms together in Anjali Mudra and then move your thumbs to the nape of the neck. Walk elbows forward, stretching the triceps, opening up the front body fascia, and we breathe. Inhale, exhale. Walk the arms forward. We're going to repeat this sequence. Come onto the hands, inhale, cow pose, and exhale, cat pose. Inhale, thread the heart forward. Maybe it's a bigger back bend. Exhale, round your spine. Maybe it's a bigger forward bend. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Yeah. Really notice how the spine is opened up. Round your spine. Cat, hug the belly up, 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 up. Bend the elbows. 5. Press into the fingers. 4. Now on the second set, push the floor away. Inhale, 3. We're feeling much more energized. Push. Inhale, 4. Press fingers to mat. And inhale, 5. Wonderfully done. Walk the hands forward. I'll meet you in downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Feel each of your 10 fingertips press into the mat, each of your 10 toes. Try to get the heels toward the mat. They may touch, they may not, but they're trying. Feel the front ribs draw in, knit together. And then we'll transition back to this child's pose with prayer hands, like you're giving yourself a high five. Sit your hips back to Balasana, palms together. Anjali Mudra is what we call this prayer position. And then breathe through the side ribs. Great. Reach fingers forward. I'm going to meet you on your belly. Bring your hands beside you, elbows squeeze in. Inhale, press through the fingers, lift up to a cobra pose. Look forward or upward. Elbows by the ribs again, lower your face onto the mat. Inhale, press up, look up, open the heart, stretch the hip flexors. Exhale, lower it down. And now height's not important here. Go to the height that fits you. Inhale, third cobra. Where does it fit in your body this moment? Exhale, lower down. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, lift the heart, squeeze the glutes slightly. Exhale, lower down. And fifth one, inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, rest. Reach the arms forward. We're going to take some bigger back extensions. Reach fingers forward. Reach back to locust, feet together. Feet go apart. And squeeze feet together. Arms swim forward. They swing on back. Squeeze your heels. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, swim back, locust, Shalambhasana. Reach fingers forward and squeeze. Push back, hold, 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 hold. Arms forward, hands under the forehead, rest. Take a breath here, resting on your front side. And now we're we're going to energize the front body. So flip yourself over onto your back for shoulder bridge. Once you're on your back, you want your feet hip width apart, hands pressed into the floor, and then press your hips to the sky. If you're going to add a leg, lift your left leg to tabletop, straighten it up, bend it at 90 degrees, and step the foot down. Right leg, 90 degrees tabletop, 180 degrees straight leg, bend the knee at 90, step it down. Left leg, tabletop, straight leg bridge, tabletop bridge, two-footed bridge. Straighten, bend, and step. On this one, lift the left leg, straighten it up, and then cross this foot over the knee. Flop your right knee out to the side and drop the hips down, and then thread the arms through. We're going to take our figure four or reclined pigeon pose. Recline your shoulders onto the floor. Gorgeous. Let the hands grab the hamstring or shin, and then release your foot onto the ground. Come back up into this shoulder bridge. Gorgeous. Straighten your right leg all the way up. Cross it over the left knee. Flop the knee out. Breathe in. Then gently, tailbone goes down. Thread the arms through. Pull it into your stretch. This is opening up the piriformis, which is a muscle right around your tailbone. Take your arms in a T shape for a supine twist. Knees go to the right and back to center. Inhale, knees twist left. Back to center. Inhale, twist right. Back to center. Inhale, twist left. Now, nothing will energize you more than a twist of the spine. We're literally massaging the nerves that live in the spinal column. Knees go left. Back to center. Knees right. Let them drop this time. We're going to take a long-legged stretch if that suits you. Straighten this leg toward the screen. Grab onto it if it's available. And then draw two shoulders into the floor and gaze past your opposite arm. Yeah, that's where the energy is created in the twist. Bring your legs back to center, take it to side B. Knees drop onto the mat. Look past your front arm, straighten the leg, and if you want to catch the foot, go right ahead. If you're not quite there yet, you could also go for hamstring or just leave the leg in the air. There's an option for everyone in yoga. Breathe out. Now we're going to come to stand in a wide-legged prasarita. Step your feet wide on the mat. Take your right arm in the air, thread it underneath to your left shin, and then reach your left arm to the sky. That can go toward the ceiling, your sacrum, or across to the opposite hip. And then you're going to pull your shoulders back and look up toward the clouds. That arm can come up, release it to the floor, release your right arm. Now grab your right arm onto the left, reach your left arm to the sky, open the heart. There she is. Hand to the sacrum or the hip, open the left shoulder. Think of the crown of your head coming forward toward me and the screen, and then we breathe. Hands go down, inhale, lift. Shake out the hips a little bit. And we're going to take a wide malasana here, or an inner thigh stretch. Your thighs are turned out. Your gaze is up. You could stay here with elbows on the inner thighs, shifting side to side, or bring your hands back to that prayer, that Anjali mudra. Lock your elbows back into the inner thighs, and at the same time press inner thighs to elbows. Lift the heart and start to drop your hips underneath your knees. Breathe in. Hands to the mat, straighten the legs, toes forward, hop the feet together, Uttanasana. Gorgeous. And then we're going to finish with a Shavasana. Find a way to come onto your back, lengthen your legs, release your arms. Give yourself this moment to settle into your newfound energy, knowing that receiving energy is as much a part of the process as creating energy, moving energy, or shifting energy. Allow yourself in this moment to simply breathe and be. When you're ready, reach your left arm back, and then your right arm back to the long body stretch like you're getting out of bed in the morning. Knees crawl in. Roll yourself onto one side. And then use your palms to walk you up to sit or kneel. Bring your hands to heart center. Final time in this Anjali mudra. Thumbs to the forehead, third eye, into the lips, and finally back to the heart center. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, take a forward bow. beautiful change of energy today, yogis. Thank you so much for practicing with me. It's been great to play with you. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Check other flows down below. And until I see you on the mat next time, inhale positive and exhale negative.